Hi guys, welcome to the channel Achieving Online Freedom. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to fix the Gmail app if it's not sending emails. It is very simple, so let's go ahead and get started. So if you head to the Gmail app and you cannot compose and then send out an email, one thing you can do is just log out and log back into your account on your Gmail and see if that works. Another thing you can do is hop out of here. You then want to go to settings, wherever that may be. You then want to scroll down to general and find iPhone storage. You then want to wait for it to load. Once it is done loading, you want to find the Gmail app. You can either scroll down or just search for it in the top right. Once you have found Gmail, you can then offload the app. All this will do is free up some storage used by the app, but keep its documents and data. So that means that none of your data or emails will disappear. You'll then have to reinstall the app. And once you hop back on, it then should start sending emails. So I hope one of these methods does help you. So if it did, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subs by the end of the year, and I could not do it without your help. Just want to say thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.